This one is quick. Inside settings, open the My Profile tab. This is your personal profile, what you see when you log in. If a staff member logs in, they see their own. Just make sure your details are correct. From here, you can connect your calendars, your Google or Gmail calendar, your Outlook, or iCloud if you use an iPhone. And you can connect Zoom for your meetings. Then set your available hours, the times you are open for bookings. This matters. Once you are attached to a calendar, only these hours show to customers, even if the calendar
At the
is
top,
set
you can
wider.
also change your password and your login details.
Make sure everything here is correct and connect the tools you actually use. One more thing, if you have staff, you can view the platform as them. Click your initials at the top right, choose Log in As, pick the staff member, and adjust things for them. That is your profile sorted.